Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how you can sell crypto on Coinbase. So in order to sell crypto on Coinbase, first of all, you need to make sure that you have enough funds. Only then you can begin with the procedure. Now to begin with, first thing first, check your internet connection. Open up your Coinbase account. So once you're logged into your Coinbase account, this is how the interface is going to look like. Here, scroll down a bit and go to sell or tap the minus icon. Here you need to go ahead and select the asset that you wish to sell. So type in the asset. So I'm going to sell Bitcoin for now. So once you're done selecting the cryptocurrency, so tap the sell button on the other interface. You'll be asked to enter in the exact amount of cryptocurrency that you wish to sell on Coinbase. Once you've done that, confirm all of the details, and as soon as you're done, you'll be receiving a notification stating that you've successfully sold crypto on Coinbase. So that's how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.